Hi, I'm Anthony from Learning to Play the Guitar. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the song Passenger by Powderfinger. Okay, the main chords in the verse are a G major, which is the double finger version of G down the bottom. Then you've got a D F sharp, which is the D with the thumb on top. Then you've got a B minor, and then an E minor. And so in between all these chords too, he's doing a little bit of a what I call a open string change, or a lazy change, or a sloppy change, and this sort of idea of hitting an open string strum before the next chord shape allows you to get to the next chord quite easily, and that sort of technique is used in songs like Yellow Submarine by the Beatles, and Neil Young and some other people tend to do that as well. Sort of a folky sort of trick to making your chord changes easy to play, I suppose. So here we go with the pattern with the open strum in between, which I've labelled as E minor 7 add 4 on the sheet. So here we go with the strumming. Down, down, up, down, 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 D, down, 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 B minor, down, 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 and E minor, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 boom. And we do it again. So another practice. G, down, down, up, down, 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 and D, down, down, and B minor, and E minor, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. The second part of the verse uses the chords C major, E minor, B minor, and an E minor, and finally goes to an A minor, leading into what I'm going to call the pre-chorus in a second. So strumming here again, sometimes we've got these open string sort of changes happening in between our chord shape jumps as well. So here we go with C, down, 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 E, down, down, up, down, down, up, open, B minor, down, 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 up, down, up, E, down, down, up, down, down, up, A minor, down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I'll do it one more time from C. It is down, 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 E, down, down, up, down, up, B minor, down, 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 up, down, open, E, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. For the pre-chorus section, there's two chords it's based around: F sharp and G major. And we're just basically playing some simple arpeggio patterns on 3 strings of each of these chord shapes, which will be here in the tab. So here we go. And one thing to take note of is I'm going down, down, up, up across the picking pattern for the entire thing, more or less. So here we go, sort of backwards and forwards between the 2 chords. F sharp, down, down, up, G. We do it again. F sharp, G, then F sharp. Sort of lazy open D hiding in the mix there. In the chorus, we've got the main section of the chorus. It's sort of 2 parts. We'll do the first part is B minor, G, again I'll probably do the double finger G and an A. So pretty easy chord wise, and a lot of the strumming here is on the offbeat, which the drums sort of accentuate as well. So you might have just heard that in the demo I played. So basically down strumming, but we're actually strumming on the offbeat for a lot of it. So I'll tap with my foot, hopefully that might help a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, B, G, A, 3 and 4 and B, A. That's pretty simple, hopefully. The second part of the chorus, the piece going out of it into the verses, chords, we've got B minor. There can be an A there, but I think A, C sharp, because the bass is definitely playing the C sharp note. We can do it on the guitar as well, which sounds cool, which is one of those guys. D, we can do open D, or sometimes you watch the videos, they're doing a D power chord. Either one is fine. Then an A, back to D. And so the strumming for this thing goes like this: 3, 4, B, A, D, A, D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and one more time, same thing, 3, 4. So just sticking with the main chords for the moment, basically that whole sequence happens all over again. Then in the second chorus, going out to the, what I'm going to call the coda, the end of the song, getting from that to the coda section, the sort of la 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 bit on the end, we're going to go from this B minor thing again, but we're going to change it very slightly. So we're going to add an F sharp chord at the end of it, which is one of those guys. So here we go with the strumming of this line: 3 and B, C sharp, A, D, A and a D, 3 and 4 and then we jump to the F sharp, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and building up to the coda. So the coda chords are a variation of that part just before. B minor, A, C sharp again, D again, and A. And it goes round and round until they fade out, I think, from my memory of how the song ends on the album version. Anyway, so 3, 4, B, B, A, C sharp, D, 3 and 4 and A and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and So then the other part, in the second verse, there's a little counter melody arpeggio type thing happening on the other guitar part. So I'll run through that as well. Just following the tab here. Do it one more time. So this goes over the G, D, B minor, E chords in that verse. The second half of the verse, just really simple arpeggios here from a C thing, E minor, a little hammer on he does, subtle but it's there, B, E, and then finishing off with an A minor, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that takes takes you back to the pre-chorus thing, to the chorus, to the end. So that's all the parts. Hope you have fun playing this great Powderfinger song. Subscribe to the Learning to Play the Guitar YouTube channel for more lessons, and don't forget to click on the bell to receive notifications when I upload a new video. You can also check out my books and more guitar lessons at learningtoplaytheguitar.net. Thanks for watching and keep practicing.